So this is PromozSEO, and here I'm going to show a demo class for the things you are going to learn in this entire SEO course, and all the details. Means we will start from the very basics of search engine optimization. So you can call it fundamentals things, and gradually we will move into the core SEO, and then we will move into the advanced techniques of modern SEO. So search engine optimization is one of the most demanding skill right now in digital marketing industry, because if you are aware of this particular industry, digital marketing or internet marketing or online marketing, then you might be knowing that this field is booming in India right now, or maybe all over the world, because most of the businesses who was doing their marketing means traditionally like offline marketing or outdoor marketing or street marketing or something like that, they are currently moving into digital marketing field, because the traditional marketing costs much more than digital marketing. You cannot actually measure the ROI in traditional marketing, which you can actually measure in digital marketing. So this is always better for a business. So businesses are actually coming into digital marketing right now, and it is going to be much bigger in coming years down the line. In India, at least, this is going to be a huge market, maybe 5 years down the line. So search engine optimization is a part of digital marketing, social media optimization, social media marketing, PPC, AdWords, display marketing, email marketing, inbound marketing, content marketing, PR marketing. All those are basically a part of digital marketing. So as a whole, digital marketing is the domain or industry, you can call it, and search engine optimization is one sub-industry, social media is another sub-industry, PPC is another sub-industry, content is another sub-industry. So all those in combination consist means with digital marketing. Now I'm going to show in this entire SEO course, online SEO course, what you are going to learn here, what are the details you have to understand, and how the process, how the training will be during this entire 3 to 3.5 months course for search engine optimization. So I'm moving to the site, and here you can actually see this is PromozSEO site, and on this page we have all the details about SEO training, online SEO training. We also have a classroom SEO training in Kolkata, and we provide online SEO training across India and outside India. So you can just read, these are the basic details about how search engine optimization is important, or how media or maybe different other companies are moving into this, or why this particular SEO is very important for any type of business on internet. So whoever the business is, whatever the business is, if they want to sell their products or services online, then they must have to do digital marketing, they must have to do search engine optimization. So SEO is a part of digital marketing. Another around 40% of digital marketing is SEO, search engine optimization. It's very technical. Definitely you do not have to have any programming background or technical background for this. Anybody from any industry can take digital marketing or SEO as a profession. They can learn it easily. But yeah, as it is completely based on web, so it has to be a bit technical. So for a fresh person who does not have any sort of experience on web or maybe on marketing industry, initially this can be a bit different for them. It's not going to be definitely tough, but it's going to be a bit different. Gradually all the things will be comfortable with them, and they have to follow all the stuffs we are going to learn here, we are going to teach here. So if they follow the process, if they submit our assignments, if they follow what are the techniques I'm going to show or we are going to show here, then after this training they will be comfortable, they will be confident on SEO or digital marketing, whatever the training they are taking. So this is basically around 70 hours of course duration will be 3 to 3.5 months. You have to attend 2 classes in a week. It is completely scheduled. You cannot change your class timings as it is going to be a live training. So you have to attend your class on the scheduled time, scheduled date. And if you miss any class, then you may get a recording, but it depends on the internet connection and all, because the file sizes are pretty high when we record a class, or maybe any student if he is recording the class, the file sizes are pretty high, so sometimes it can be a bit difficult to transfer the file over internet. So you should always try to attend the classes on the time don't miss your classes, because every class is related to the previous class. So if you miss one class, it can be a bit difficult for you to understand the next class, next topic. So this is a very important subject. You should be 100% attentive during the class, and you should be 100% focused throughout the training. So we actually provide a classroom training in Kolkata. We are located in North Kolkata, and we provide online training in different cities and entire India, outside India, everywhere. So I'm just going to show that the course content which you are going to learn in this entire SEO training. So we will first cover the module 1. Here we are going to tell you the brief about the search engines, what is search engine, why it is important, why it was built before search engines, what was there for the searching purpose on internet, how you can understand a search engine, how it works. This is very important, how search engines actually work on internet, and what is black hat SEO, what is white hat SEO, what is ethical, unethical SEO, then what is on page SEO, off page SEO. SEO has two different parts. First one is on page SEO, and second one is off page SEO. What are those? Then white hat SEO. SEO can be of different two types. You can actually execute search engine optimization in 2 or 3 maybe different ways. So white hat SEO is something which is recommended definitely. Black hat and gray hat SEO is there. Depending on a situation, sometimes you may implement all those maybe gray hat SEO. Black hat SEO is never recommended. You should not implement. So all those types of links you can actually. You already know what is link. Link is basically this. All those are different links. So you can use links to visit different pages, browse different websites. So you already use links, but until and unless you check those links in different from SEO perspective, you may not be able to understand there can be different types of links on internet. So you have to understand all those types of links. There is something called search engine result page, SERP. So we are going to discuss on all those stuffs on the module 1. This is one class, and we will provide a material for this course, means class material over internet, definitely, as it is an online course. So we will provide the material over internet. We do not actually share anything hard copy. Everything will be shared over internet, soft copy. And this will take one class to understand. You do not have to memorize anything from this class, but you have to understand many things which is going to be important in next classes. On module 2, we are going to teach you HTML. If you are not aware of HTML, HTML is Hypertext Markup language. This is basically used to write a web page, to create a web page. It's basically for the website structure. So you have to understand a bit of HTML. This is important. You do not have to learn HTML like a designer, because you are not going to design a website. Being an optimizer or being a content writer or being a digital marketer, you should have some basic knowledge of HTML so that you can actually edit your HTML page if required. That is important, because if you are an optimizer and if you do not know HTML at all, then it can be a bit difficult for you. So whether you are using a CMS, content management system like WordPress, or maybe if you are using a simple HTML or a dynamic website like PHP or in JSP, but still you need to know basics of HTML. That is important. So we are going to teach the basics of hypertext markup language here, and you have to understand those. You have to practice yourself. We will give assignments for this. You have to create basic HTML websites, and we will show how to do that. So this is basically one class we are going to teach you, and after that one assignment class will be there. So after this, after you finish this one, you will have the basic knowledge of HTML which is going to be required for an optimizer. Again, I am telling you, do not have to be a designer like HTML expert. That is not required. A designer will know much more than you. That is very true and normal, because they are designer. You are not a designer. You are an optimizer or a digital marketer. So what are the details? Whatever the details you need to know, we will teach that on this module, module 2, and one assignment will be there, and you have to you have to submit that assignment, and after that you will be comfortable with the basics of HTML, which is going to be important for your entire optimization or digital marketing career. Next one, module 3. We are actually entering into the SEO from here, from module 3. This is very important. The first class of search engine optimization here, we are starting from here, and this is one of the most important class and definitely very technical. So it's basically keyword analysis. Whether you are a digital marketer, whether you are an optimizer, whether you are a content writer, whoever you are, if you are working in digital marketing industry, you have to have a solid knowledge on keyword analysis, keyword research. If you do not know how to do keyword analysis properly, it's not going to be possible for you to work in digital marketing industry. If you can be in any domain in digital marketing industry, content writing, SEO, PPC, social media, but yeah, keyword analysis you have to be an expert of. So here we are going to show how you can actually do keyword analysis. Keywords you already know, you can search on Google with something that is, we call generally that as a search query. You can open Google, you can search with something that is called search query, and search query is a human term, and when Google understands that search query, they use different keywords. So keywords and search queries are more or less same. A bit difference is search query is actually relevant with a human, keywords are actually relevant with machines, search engines. So you have to understand what is search query, what is intent, what is keyword, how you can analyze them. We are going to use 3-4 different tools here. I will show you all those tools. We are going to use Google AdWords keyword planner tool, which is one of the best tool from Google. You can use that for all the keyword suggestions from Google. You can understand those. Then we are going to use 2 other different tools for LSI, latent semantic indexing keywords, to find out LSI keywords. You do not know what is LSI or why it is different from a normal keyword, but yeah, that is very normal because this is a demo class I am giving you. So gradually if you start this class, then you will know what is LSI, how to find out LSI, or how it can be different from a normal keyword, or what is there. So we are going to use 2-3 different tools here, and finally I will show you what is KEI, keyword efficiency index, how you can actually calculate KEI for one keyword, for each keywords. So this is important. So here we are going to have two classes and 2 separate assignment classes. So in total we will have 4 different classes on keyword analysis. Until and unless you are 100% sure about keyword analysis, it's not going to be possible for you to go to the next level. So this is you can call around 20% of, or maybe 30% of SEO you are learning from on the module 3, and this is basically the first class of search engine optimization. Before that, on module 1 and module 2, we generally actually discuss on different other things, HTML and introduction. So from module 3 we are into SEO part right now, and in this module you are going to learn the entire keyword analysis process. 4 classes will be there, 2 separate classes and 2 assignment classes, and we will have assignment classes for each topic. You have to submit assignments on the next class, and finally then we will check the assignment. If there is anything wrong, we will teach you on the class. We will tell what is wrong there, how it can be actually improved or corrected. So we will check all the assignments on the class itself. We will show you how it can be better. So gradually, if you follow those process, and if you submit your assignments regularly, it will be easier for you. Naturally, it is a new thing for you, so it will take some time initially, but if you have to just follow our techniques, you have to be 100% serious about this course. You have to submit all your assignments on time. So if you follow those things, definitely it will be easier for you over time. So this is a keyword analysis 4 class, 3 tools you are going to learn, 2 assignments classes are there. So you are going to learn entire keyword analysis process. And next, on module 4 we are going to teach you on-page SEO. On-page SEO is basically the optimization which you are doing on the page or on the site. That is called on-page SEO. So there are many different elements are there on a web page, or different what should I say, strategic positions are there which you must optimize properly, just like page title, meta description. There can be header, primary header, paragraph headers. There can be content optimization. You will know if you are interested in content writing, then this part is going to be very important, content optimization. And definitely before that you have to have a thorough understanding and technical knowledge of keyword analysis. So content optimization is very important for all the content writers. So if you are interested in content writing course, and if you do not have the knowledge of SEO, then it is not going to be possible for you. And in this particular module, on module 4, you are going to learn a very big thing about content writing, content optimization. So it's going to be a very means important for all the content writer or would-be content writers. And there can be different other strategic positions like URL, uniform resource locator, or we can means call it link, backlink, or inbound link, or internal link, whatever. URL optimization is another big part. Anchor text is another big part. So there can be many different things which you may not know right now if you are not aware of HTML or maybe web pages. So you are going to learn all those stuffs here. We have two different classes here. This is basically a theory class, one theory class and one practical class. So we are going to show first what are the different things you have to means optimize, how you can optimize those. That one is going to be a theory class, and after that we are going to show how you can actually implement those optimization techniques in a real life web page. So that's going to be a practical one. So two classes are there, one theory, one practical. This is module 4 on page SEO. Entire on page SEO part will be covered here. And in module 5 we are going to teach you one thing which is very important and very advanced: rich snippet markup or structured data. This is not a very regular SEO technique. It's an advanced, it's a very advanced technique on SEO, modern SEO techniques. And it's a bit complicated, definitely, as it is very advanced, so it has to be a bit complicated. Otherwise all the optimizers would have used this on their projects. So it's around very less amount of websites on internet are using, around 4-5% of websites are using structured data right now. So it's an open field. If you know how to use structured data on your site, it has to be it will be a means huge difference between your and your competitor site. So if you are using structured data, if you are able to show rich snippet, it's going to be a big difference from big difference between your and your competitor sites. So we are going to have one entire class here on structured data rich snippet, and you are going to learn what is structured data, how you can implement different tools. We are going to show you two different tools here. One is schema.org, that's a site from where you can actually learn about structured data. You can learn about different item types, item properties, item scope. And we are going to show another third-party tool through which you can actually create structured data codes. You do not have to write any code here. There are lots of tools on internet through which you can actually build your structured data code, and finally you can use that on your site. We are going to show different plugins. Plugins are basically third-party softwares which actually works with different CMS like WordPress. So we are going to show those plugins also. So 2-3 different tools we are going to show here, one class, and you have to understand this advanced topic of modern SEO, very important. Next one is module 6. Here we are going to show you Google Search Console. Google Search Console is again another big thing on SEO. If you are into search engine optimization or you are into digital marketing, Google Search Console or Google Webmaster is going to be Bible for you. So just remember, this is one tool which you have to use, which you have to be master on during your entire SEO career or content writing career or digital marketing career. So whoever you are, if you are into digital marketing industry, this particular module 6 is going to be a big thing for you. So here we are going to show you what is Google Search Console, what is Google Analytics, what is Bing Webmaster, all those different tools. All those are free tools you can use at free of cost, but very technical things. But yeah, it's actually possible for anybody. It does not need you to be from any technical or programming background or engineering background. You can be from anywhere, any industry. But yeah, it's technical, but if you practice it, if you understand, you can actually use this tool easily. So we have around 3 classes for this. For Google Webmaster, Google Analytics, Bing Webmaster, we have 3 different classes, as it is a practical one. So it's going to be a live class. We will show you live instances. So we will show you live accounts on Google Search Console, Google Analytics, Bing Webmaster. So you have to use that for your website too. You have to create your website. We will show how you can create your website, how you can integrate your website with Google Webmaster or Analytics or Bing Webmaster. And finally, what are the data you can check or monitor on your Google account, and finally how you can actually improve your site using those data. So it's basically another analysis class You are going to get lots of technical data which you can actually finally use to make decisions about your site's improvements. So very important class. Three normal classes are there for this module 6, and there can be another one or two extra classes, depends on the students' capacity to understand these tools, but 4-5 classes can be there for module 6. On module 7, blogging and SEO. If you are into SEO industry, you know what is blogging. If you are into marketing or maybe PR industry or something, you might be knowing about blogging. Blogging is very important. So if you have a website, if you want to promote your business or service or products, whatever it can be, or maybe you are a simple content publishing website, so blogging is a big part for that. So until and unless you know how you can actually use blogs for improve your website's performance, overall performance on internet, then that's not going to be easy for you. Blogging is very important. So you have to understand what is blogging, what are the different other blog tools are there or CMSs are there, what is WordPress. WordPress is the one of the widely used tools right now on internet. Most of the websites which you are actually seeing right now, most of those websites are actually on WordPress platform. WordPress is basically a blog engine. From the beginning it was built for the as a blog engine purpose, but right now it can be WordPress is used as a website software, website building software, and you have to be a total master of WordPress. So if you are into content writing, if you are into content marketing, if you are into SEO, PPC, whatever it can be, if you do not know how to use WordPress for your website, you cannot actually shine on this industry, digital marketing or SEO. So definitely there can be means apart from WordPress, there can be other blog engines like Blogger, there can be Tumblr, there can be other frameworks or CMS like maybe Magento, Joomla, or maybe other things, Drupal. But still, WordPress is going to be a big part. So if you are into digital marketing, you are working as an employee in a company, so you will be seeing that lots of your client websites are built on WordPress or maybe on another platform. So if you know how to use WordPress or such platforms, it will be easier for you to perform better. And if you are working as a freelancer or as a consultant, you have to be thoroughly mastered on these tools. And even if you are into say for you are into blogging directly, you are working as a blogger or maybe you are working as a YouTube marketer, still blogging is a part, or WordPress is a part which you have to be tremendously powerful. So we are going to have 2-3 different classes here. All those are going to be live and practically. We will show you how you can actually create WordPress websites. I will show that, and after that you have to do the same thing for you. You have to create your website. You will be practically instructed how you can do that, and you have to follow the process. You have to create your website. You will be knowing that what is plugin, what are the plugins are important for WordPress or such platforms. You will be knowing different plugins which are absolutely important, which you cannot actually ignore. So you will know those plugins, their settings, WordPress setting, plugin settings. You will be knowing how you can actually finally optimize a web page. So whatever you have learned so far, all those stuffs you are going to implement on this particular module. So 3-4 different classes are there. Assignment classes will be there. We will give you multiple assignments here. You have to submit those assignments, and finally once we see that you are pretty comfortable and confident and you are doing the things rightly, then we will finally move on to next level. But this is one big thing you have to be 100% confident on. You have to have a control grip of this particular module 7, and WordPress is going to be a big thing for your entire career, entire SEO career or digital marketing career. So module 7, blogging and SEO, 3-4 classes, rest of the assignment classes are there on module 7. From module 8, we are actually moving into the off-page link building part, and till module 7 we were into the on-page SEO or on-site SEO. On-page SEO and on-site SEO is bit different from each other, but yeah, from up to module 7 we were into the on-page or on-site SEO. From module 8 we are coming into the off-page SEO. Off-page SEO means you are optimizing a site off-site, means out of the site. So if you are optimizing abc.com, then you have to optimize abc.com being outside abc.com. So that is called off-page SEO. So we are entering into that part from module 8, and here in this is basically another analysis class. So we are optimizers, right, or we can be a digital marketer. So any marketer or optimizer, we never tell anything without data, until and unless we have solid data which we can use finally to make different decisions. We cannot say anything. We do not speak on air. Until and unless we have data, we cannot tell anything. So this is another analysis class here, and in this class you are going to learn how you can actually analyze your competitor website's backlinks. Backlink is very important for SEO, search engine optimization, or digital marketing. So you have to build lots of backlinks for your websites. Definitely those backlinks has to be relevant with the product or service you are selling, or the intent you have on the page, or and those backlinks which you are building has to come from top quality websites, authoritative websites. So here you are going to learn how you can actually analyze your big competitor websites, how you can know that from where they are actually building your backlinks, their backlinks. So if you can know where the places, the websites where your competitor websites has built their link from, then you can actually target those websites to build your backlinks for your site, pointing to your site. So we are going to show three different tools here, one Google tool and two different third-party tools, and we are going to show a technique which you can use to analyze any type of competitor websites, and you can finally come up with all the backlinks they have built so far on internet. So if you know those backlinks or those sites where they have built their backlinks, then that's going to be a big difference for you, because you can actually build lots of links for your websites from those websites where your competitors has built their link. So one class is there, practical class. Everything is going to be practical here. I will show how you can use those three tools and one technique. So finally you can do the same thing for your competitor websites, and you have to know all the you will know all the different backlink opportunity websites where you can build your links, your site's backlinks. On module 9 we are entering into how you can build backlinks. In module 8 you have learned where to build backlinks, where you can build backlinks for your site, and from module 9 you are going to learn how you can build backlinks for your site. So on module 9 we have around 7 classes. So seven different classes are there on module 9, and here you are going to learn all the backlink building techniques, starting from blog. Maybe you can classified backlinks. It can be web 2.0 backlinks. It can be local business listing backlinks. It can be maybe directory backlinks, social bookmarking. It can be maybe forum backlinks. It can be question answer backlinks. All the stuffs. Additionally, you will now learn how you can build backlinks from .edu domains or .gov domains. Those domains are very powerful. You will learn what is domain authority, what is page authority, what is page rank, how you can improve those metrics for your site. You will learn what is demos, why it is absolutely important for your website. You will learn what is article submission, how you can write articles for link building purpose. You will know what is content repurposing. If you are writing a content on a page, and if you use content repurposing, you can build lots of different formats of files from the same content, and you can reshare those files on different types of websites. You can build YouTube videos from your content. You can build a PowerPoint presentation from your content. You can create an infographics for your content. You can create a simple graphic, simple image from your content, and you can finally publish all those different types of file formats on different types of websites, and you can finally build lots of backlinks for your website. So that's going to be a very important part. So here 7 different classes are there on module 9, and you are going to learn all the different modern techniques and ethical and white hat techniques of link building. You will know how to analyze websites before you build your link. So if you see that you have an opportunity to build a link on a site for your site, before building that link you have to understand if you really should build a link on that site. You have to analyze that site. There are lots of metrics are there, lots of analysis are there. We will learn all those stuffs here, and after that you can actually build the backlink. So 7 different classes, lots of different techniques, ethical, obviously white hat SEO link building techniques we are going to show here, starting from blog, maybe classified, social bookmarking, web 2.0, directory, forum, content repurposing, all those, YouTube, everything will be shared here. So Google Plus link building, social link building, question answer sites, Quora, or maybe Yahoo question answer site, all those different types of linking opportunity or link building techniques you are going to learn on module 8, module 9, and 7 different classes are there on module 9. On module 10, this is local SEO. Normal SEO is a bit different from local SEO. If you go to any web page, if you go to Google and if you search with a keyword, this is basically called search engine result page, where we are actually seeing all the results. Google is showing different 10 results here, 10 websites here, and there is no local box here. So you can see PromozSEO is coming on this. We are searching with SEO training in India, and so these are the 10 different websites coming here. This is Google AdWords ad. So it's not actually part of optimization, it's part of PPC, AdWords PPC. And there are a couple of keywords here. Those are called LSI, latent semantic indexing keyword, a bit different from normal keywords. So local box is not coming here, but with different keywords you may see local box. Local search engine optimization is actually important for local SEO ranking, local box ranking. So that is very competitive, very competitive, because previously Google used to show 7 different websites on a local box, but right now they are showing only 3 websites on local box. So it's pretty competitive, very difficult, very tough job, but still if you follow the process we are going to show here, you are going to learn it. So we need 2 different classes. We are going to show one tool called Google My Business here, and different other local citation building websites which you are going to learn here. So 2 different classes, and you will learn how to use GMB, Google My Business or Google Places, and different other NAP citation, name, address, phone number, citation building process on different local listing websites. So this is one important class, and there can be many clients who are not actually interested for entire SEO. You may see lots of clients that are actually only interested on local SEO, and they are actually paying a good amount of money. So if you know how to do local SEO, it's a very easy job. If you know how to do that properly, it's going to be easy. Otherwise it's not that easy. Definitely it's a very competitive field right now on local SEO, but still if you know how you can do local SEO properly, then it can be, over time it can be easy for you, and you can make a good amount of remuneration from means doing local SEO projects for your clients as an independent consultant or maybe as a freelancer. So we are having 2 different classes on module 10, local SEO. It's a part of local search engine optimization, local box ranking. Module 11 is basically on-site SEO or technical SEO. Here we are going to show you different things about your site's technical optimization. There are on-page optimization, where you are optimizing your content, your URL, maybe your page title, meta description, header, your image, all those stuffs you are optimizing on your site, on-page SEO. And in off-page SEO you are building links. Through backlinks you are optimizing your site. And in on-site SEO we actually do some of the settings which are actually important for your site's optimization, overall optimization, like maybe your site should open with W or non-W. There should be canonical, you can use CDN, you have to know how you can optimize your website speed. If you have a very slow website which is opening very slowly on internet, on browsers or maybe on a mobile device, then that website may rank in a lower page or maybe lower side of a page or maybe on the next pages on Google. So site speed is a big thing today, and Google is putting that in a first priority. So if your site is slow, it's not going to be ranking on the top 4. So definitely it has to be speed website, high speed website. So you will know from on this particular tutorial module 11, we are going to have 3 different classes where we are going to show site speed optimization techniques, different site setting techniques, site setting optimization, and we are going to show one class we are going to show how you can create different files, like robots.txt is one important file, sitemap.xml, rss.xml, you have to create sitemap.html file, you have to create htaccess file. So all those files, maybe you have to create custom mirror page files. So all those files are actually very important for your site's technical SEO. So you will learn in module 11, 3 classes are there. All technical details about your site will be discussed here. Don't think that you have to write any programming or coding here. Technical does not mean that you are writing programming. We are not, we are optimizers. We do not write any programming, but still it's a technical thing, not about programming, but it's normal site setting technical part. So on module 11, 3 classes, technical SEO, entire technical SEO part will be covered here. On-site SEO will be covered here. So module 11, 3 classes. And module 12, this is the final module of this course, entire SEO course. And here you are going to learn different Google algorithms. Google is the major and best and largest search engine. They have around 60 or more than 60% market share right now on search engine industry. So there can be other search engines, but those are actually negligible. So 60 or 65% market share is there from Google. So when we are talking about search engine optimization, we only focus, or we generally focus on Google. So you have to know Google is such a search engine which actually updates their different search engine algorithms periodically or very often. So you have to know all those different major search engine algorithms very clearly, and you have to know what are the different do's and don'ts on those algorithms which you can or may not or should not optimize. Black hat, white hat, all those stuffs you are going to learn here. Panda, penguin, pigeon, hummingbird, rank brain, maybe exact match domain algorithm, mobile usability update, all those stuffs are very important. Google rank brain is one of the recent update. Even accelerated mobile pages or AMP update is very recent. Google real time penguin update is recent. So those site means Google algorithm updates you have to learn here. We are going to have 2 classes for this, and here you are going to learn another thing called site audit. If you have a website, or maybe you are optimizing a website, so you have to know how you can audit your site, how you can actually analyze that site to know all the technical details about that site. What are the faults are there on the site, or what are the problems you have on the site which Google may face or other search engines may face during the process. So you have to know before you launch the site or after you launch the site. So site audit is very important, and again it's a separate work. If you are very good in site audit, then you can actually make a good amount of money by doing site audit separately, independently. So site audit is a separate thing which you must learn if you are an optimizer or a content writer or maybe into digital marketing. Site audit is going to be a big thing. And after that, another class is there in module 12 where you are going to learn how you can clean your website, how you can clean your backlinks. You may be building lots of backlinks from different other websites pointing to your site, but gradually or periodically you have to clean those backlinks, because in the link building process you might have built some of those toxic links which actually which can actually harm your website. So if you build toxic links, malicious links from different other non-relevant, irrelevant websites, or maybe low authority websites, so those links may do more harm than good for your site. So you have to first identify those backlinks, you have to analyze those backlinks, and finally if it is required you have to clean your website, you have to clean your backlink profile. So that is what we are going to teach here on this particular course's last class on module 12. We have 2 classes here on module 12, and finally once this particular class is over, we finish the entire SEO part. So after that, if you are interested, we can move into other things like social media optimization, AdWords, PPC. We can learn content writing, content marketing, YouTube marketing, all those stuffs here. But this is the entire course you are going to learn for search engine optimization. If you can take the class in our classroom, you can come down in Kolkata, or else you can take the training online from anywhere in the world. And this is going to be an extensive course, 70 hours of course content, around 3 to 3.5 months long course duration, and 2 classes in a week. You have to attend all classes in a week, never miss any class, and most of the time we see that we have classes around 2 hours or more than that. So you have to keep minimum 2 hours during a class, and we are going to take all the questions, we are going to answer all the questions on the classes itself. We are not going to tell you to keep the questions in mail or send those over email or any messenger. We are going to take all the questions on the class itself. We are going to answer them on the class itself. If you have any doubts, any queries, if you are facing any difficulties during the process, during doing anything practically, if you are facing some problems which you cannot actually solve yourself, you can actually show all those stuffs by sharing your screen with us. So we will be able to see what you are facing right now, and we will be able to tell you how you can solve it or how you can improve it. So everything will be live. It's a live training. Question answers will be taken on the classes, and answers will be given on the classes. Any problem you are facing will be solved on the classes. And separate to this, we will give you assignments. You have to submit those assignments on different next classes. We will check those assignments. If there is anything wrong, we will teach you how you can improve that, how to correct it. And above all this, we will have different question answer class. On those question answer class, we are not going to teach you anything new. We are not going to start anything new. Those question answer class will be solely for question answers. So all the questions you have so far, maybe you have completed 5 different modules. After that, we can come up with a question answer class for you. You have to collect all your questions throughout till that time, and you have to ask those questions on those question answer class. And we are going to take all the questions you have so far. We will answer those things. We may ask you questions, whatever you have learned so far. We may ask you questions from those things, those topics, and you have to answer me. If you see that, if we see that you are not very much comfortable or you are not able to answer most of the questions, then we may repeat some of those classes. So during this process, it may go up to 3.5 months, but if you finish this, if you are serious, if you follow the techniques we are going to show, if you submit your assignments, if you work hard, definitely you will be completely ready on search engine optimization industry. After this, you can start searching a job. We will help you in this. If you are looking for working as a freelancer, you can start working as a freelancer. If you want to optimize your website, you may have a business, you may have a blog, you may have an e-commerce store. So if you want to work, if you want to optimize your own website, you can start on that. So this is the entire course on search engine optimization. You have to be you have to make sure one thing, that your dedication should be 100%. We are thoroughly professional. We know how to train up the person on search engine optimization or digital marketing. We will give our best. We will tell all the things we know or we used to tell other students. We will share all those details with you. Even in the process, even in this training duration, if any new updates happen, or maybe if any new things are coming up during this during your training tenure, then we will include those stuffs also in this course. Maybe Google has updated one new thing on their search engine, and during your SEO training duration, so that particular thing will be automatically included in your course. And even after this, even if you have completed your training, and if Google updates something very new, if you want to learn it, you can contact us over phone, you can sit with us over Skype. We always have different classes. All the batches are going on regularly. So even if you have certain queries, or you are not very much sure about a particular topic, you are a bit weak on a particular topic or technique, you may tell us, you may call us, you may sit with us on Skype. And if you find that okay, you are very weak on a particular module, you are not very much comfortable with that, confident on this, so you can tell us that we need a separate class or a reclass on that. So we will arrange a reclass for you, and you have to attend that class. Whatever question you have, you can ask those things, and you have to again redo that class. You may have to redo the assignments on that. So that is how we are going to do it. It's going to be a very interesting thing, but one thing you have to make sure that your dedication is 100%. You should not miss any class. You should not you should not miss any class or any assignment. You have to submit all your assignments. You have to ask questions. We always welcome questions. If you are not asking questions, then we may ask you questions. So better, if you have any doubts, any question, you can ask those questions on the class or on the question answer class. So this is how we are going to start this training. We are going to do this training on the process, and hopefully by end of this course you will be confident. You will be learning all the basics of SEO, fundamental SEO, core SEO, as well as the modern advanced SEO. So this is what, and search engine optimization course from PromozSEO, 12 modules, 70 hours course, and 3 to 3.5 months duration, and all live classes. So just make sure that your dedication is full and you do not miss any class. Submit all assignments, and after that you are ready to go to any industry level optimization process.